Welcome to the Cox Academy user guide for the Cox PowerFlow Combi applicator. The PowerFlow applicator is designed for the semi-professional and professional market, where reliability and longevity are key factors in the buying decision. The Cox PowerFlow is hand-operated, designed and manufactured in the United Kingdom, and provides the easy application of medium to high viscosity sealants and adhesives from cartridges or sachets. PowerFlow benefits from a unique Cox design compensation sleeve which reduces wear and distortion of the plunger, increasing the lifespan of the applicator over that of its competitors. The comfortable, robust cast handle provides users with a smooth, constant and easy trigger operation with a 12:1 trigger ratio. An important feature of this applicator is the flow stop control found at the rear of the handle. The switchable control provides users with the ability to take pressure off the cartridge when the trigger is released, removing the likelihood of overrun from the nozzle. Unscrew the barrel from the handle. Using an adjustable or fixed size spanner, loosen the nut behind the steel plunger cap. Slide the cap back and undo and remove the front nut. Insert the blue plastic plunger cap onto the rod and secure it by replacing the end nut onto the rod so that it fits neatly into the recess of the plastic plunger. Take an adjustable or fixed size spanner to the rear nut and tighten it. Reattach, screw in and tighten the barrel to the handle. The gun is now ready to insert a sachet. Hold the sachet firmly in one hand and use a cutter held in the other hand to cut off the tip of the sachet. Ensure the plunger is fully withdrawn and insert the sachet into the applicator. Insert the supplied nozzle into the barrel cap and take the cap and nozzle to the barrel and screw it carefully onto the end of the barrel. Do not over-tighten. Firmly hold the applicator against a hard surface and with a sharp blade holding away from your body, cut the end of the nozzle. Now with a steady squeeze of the trigger, slowly move the nozzle over the area where the bead is required. Unscrew the barrel from the handle to view how the applicator is configured. For sachet application, it will have a blue cap on the end of the plunger. If this is the case, using an adjustable or fixed size spanner, loosen the nut behind the steel plunger cap. Remove the blue plastic plunger cap and its retaining nut. Move the steel plunger cap and the lower nut forward on the plunger. Replace the end nut, securing the steel plunger cap to the plunger and retighten. Reattach and tighten the barrel to the handle. The gun is now ready to insert a cartridge. Hold the cartridge firmly against a hard surface and with a sharp blade holding away from your body, cut the sealing cap off the cartridge. Firmly screw the cartridge nozzle onto the cartridge. And again, using the sharp blade holding away from your body, cut the tip of the nozzle. Ensure the plunger is fully withdrawn and then place the cartridge into the applicator. Insert the applicator nozzle into the cap and rescrew the cap onto the barrel. Now with a steady squeeze of the trigger, slowly move the nozzle over the area where the bead is required.